Today's short video has 21 of my favorite furniture makeovers. I'm only showing you the before and after pictures because all of these have full length videos that you can watch if you want to learn more. This is one of my fastest selling pieces of furniture. I used a paint wash and a gel stain. This was a recent project that I completed as part of a challenge, and the goal was a dramatic transformation. This one was fun. I let my plant vibes roll and took this beat up bar cart, gave it a plant inspired makeover, and sold it to a fellow plant lover. This cute little table was just a broken table that somebody had, and I gave it a glamorous glow up. I love these vintage pieces and I think they're really fun to paint. This one I did in this really cool blue. Mid-century modern and Art Deco are two of my favorites. So I had fun with some designs that not only looked great, but hid the damage. This was for my dear friend Norma. It was her grandmother's vintage table, and she wanted it to match her modern decor. Another fun little piece where just a little bit of paint makes a bold statement and a big difference. You never know what's hiding under paint when you see something like the before on Facebook Marketplace. Loved the after. This one, I took a fairly simple piece, gave it a light paint wash, used some paintable wallpaper, and completely transformed it. Here's another fun one where I removed paint to discover beautiful wood grain underneath and then dressed it up. Now, talk about a transformation. I took an old broken dresser and turned it into a toy chest. Just a quick little table transformation from broken and beat up to new and ready for a brand new home. Nightstands are always really quick sellers in my area, so I had some fun with this set. Here I did a mix and match with two different provincial pieces, and by using the same color, they look beautiful together. Now, I'm not a huge decoupage person, but I really had fun with this project, and I think you would love to see how I achieved that. Here's some leafy stencils that brought a vintage piece new life. This piece actually sold really quickly. There's a lot of plant lovers in my area. And I took it from black and funky to this cool planty plant stand. Here's another plant inspired piece with just a little bit of a fern leaf on the drawer to add some fun. A former client brought me these cool chairs to refinish, and that was definitely a challenge, and I learned so much. And finally, this old secretary desk. It was plain white and broken, and I gave it a complete glow up. I hope you had fun with this preview of some of my before and after furniture projects. Now tell me which one was your favorite in the comments. This is Carmen with Painted and Planet, and I try to post a full length video every Saturday morning. I'm running a little behind this week, so that's why you kind of got this overview of my recent projects. I'll get my new video out as soon as I can.